Hi, this is Jodie from VIVE Cooking School. I'd just like to do a small video on how to tell if your egg is fresh. Here at VIVE Cooking School, like I said before, our founder does amazing work sourcing out fresh ingredients. So unfortunately, I can't show you an unfresh egg because all we use here is 100% fresh eggs, a very artisan product which is sourced locally. If you're interested in any of the egg products that they do, they're 100% free range. That's their title, so just Google them up. Larry and Sue is their name, and they're lovely, lovely people. So let's get into it, and I can explain to you as I crack this egg, the textures of the egg that you're looking for. Oh, just beautiful. So we have three parts or three makeups to the egg here. What we have is our yolk, our white, and then we have the wetness that comes around afterwards after that, which is the white that's slowly breaking down if your egg isn't fresh. So what we look for with a fresh egg is if that egg spread wider on the plate and there was more runny bits to the egg, that tells us or informs us that our egg is probably not fresh. Also, another thing to look for is how high the egg sits up on the plate. So your yolk, it's got a nice spherical circle to it that's risen above the plate. If that yolk was pushed out slightly and more flatter on top, that would also tell us that we don't have a fresh egg. So we're looking for high, sort of bouncy eggs that are together and that the white is nice and firm without too much leakage around the outside.